Hello, guess what I have for you today? It's showtime! Ta-da! The giant okra. Remember in the okra video, I promised to buy it one day and show you what it looks like. That's what I'm doing today. Let's go! First of all, it's called okra Chinese. So I washed it first with salt and then cut it. Look at what it looks like. It doesn't have the regular seed, like regular okra seed, the one we know. I pulled it to see what it feels like, and it wasn't slimy. It just pulled like foam. It wasn't slimy at all, like our okra. Next, let me show you how to clean it before cooking because it doesn't feel like the regular okra. First of all, it feels spiky, so it's rough. You need to scrape it very well before you can use it. You take the potato peeler and then use it to peel it. Peel it all the way, remove all those spiky areas. After scraping it, you wash it very well. Next is to cut it to any size of your choice. After cutting it, you can go ahead and make your okra food, but for today I have no plans of making any okra food. So I just have to store it for next time, so I put it in a Ziploc and stored it in the freezer. Thanks for watching. Please remember to click on the subscribe button so that I can keep showing you varieties of food.